G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am once again at Carl's Jr. Now if you've got the Carl's Jr. app, every month you get a special. And this month's special is one called a Summer Feasters box. So I'm going to whip in, grab it, suss it out, see what you get, and see how much it costs. So let's go get it. Alright, well here we go, the Summer Feaster box. $9.95 this cost. Let's see what we got. Alright. Well, for starters, it's not in a box, it's in a bag. Although the chips are in a box, so we got a very tiny little chips here. It looks like it belongs in a dollhouse. Here is a cheeseburger. Well, I don't know if I've had one of their cheeseburgers before. And here is a value chicken. Well, I hope they use chicken in the value chicken. And, of course, you get a drink as well. One of those, like, refill ones. So, well, I tried a few of their drinks. I tried their ginger beer. That was pretty nice. And the vanilla Coke, that was good. And I'm not too sure what I ended up finishing it off with, but I filled it up. Of course, I did refill the drink several times. But let's suss out their cheeseburger. Okay, well, sesame seed bun, mustard and tomato sauce with pickles and cheese, and a piece of meat. Well, that looks like a cheeseburger, doesn't it? What about their value chicken? Let's see the value that we got with this. Well, sesame seed bun. What I'm guessing used to be mayo, but it stuck to the bread and pulled it off. And then we got a piece of value chicken with some lettuce and some more mayo. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. Well, how about I start off with some of these chips? See how good these are. Oh, they're good. Crunchy, soft in the middle. Could have done with some more seasoning, but at least they're not horrible and soggy like chips that we get from you-know-who. Now the cheeseburger. I wonder how it will compare to the rest. Tastes just as good as every other place. In fact, it tastes exactly the same as every other place's cheeseburger, which means you can't go wrong. Tastes all right. It's got a stale bun. Who cares? Now this value chicken. Ooh, boy, does it look good. If I was blind. Okay. Let's see what this chicken's like. Well, the mayo on my beer is good. This chicken, yeah, it's pretty processed. It tastes alright. Nothing like over extraordinarily awesome, but it tastes alright. And sometimes alright is all that people want. Okay. Oh boy. Unfortunately, alright isn't what I wanted today. I wanted something like half decent, which this isn't. Ah well, you can't have it all. Anyway, this is the meal. Even comes with a drink. Oh, vanilla Coke. Why did I choose that? Anyway, I've had enough of it now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, 2 burgers, a chip and a drink, well, they were all very small. They were all very tiny. couple of mouthfuls each and they're all gone. But hey, nowadays that's considered a bargain. Flavour-wise, well, these chips are really nice. They're crunchy and they're soft in the middle and they've got actual flavour. Could do with some more seasoning, but they're some of the best chips going around. This cheeseburger made of, it tastes just like every other cheeseburger you'll ever get anywhere else. More like a Burger King Hungry Jack's one though, because it's got the sesame seeds on the bun, but mate, it's still pretty good and I quite enjoyed it. The value chicken, well, there's a reason why it's called the value chicken, and that's because it's, to them, it probably costs next to nothing. It's okay tasting, it's nothing special. It's a bit chewy in your mouth and a bit like over-processed, but hey, it does the job. And the drink, well, you know, you can refill it, so this one may as well be like 10 times bigger, because that's how many times you can refill it. Even more if you want. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Summer Feasters box, which didn't even come in a box, came in a bag. This is getting a... I'll give it an 8 for effort. At least they're trying to give us some value. Unlike most other places, it's just like completely unaffordable nowadays. At least these guys are still trying to get you in the door and trying to sell you some stuff. This box, everything in there is alright. You could probably share it with someone and, you know, have one burger each or something. I mean, it's alright. It's definitely not great, but it's alright. The value's alright. The taste, okay. What more do you want? Anyway, I'm gonna put up my windows, turn the car on, sit in the aircon and finish this off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat at Carl's. See you then. Ooh, yeah.